Whether you're looking for a boost of energy or need some rest and relaxation, a herbal remedy might be the key to taking your health to the next level. Kava is a herbal tea made from the dried powder roots of the Piper methysticum plants. It has been used by native South Pacific Islanders for over 3,000 years as a natural remedy. Pure kava is the best kava the Polynesian islands have to offer. It comes directly from Polynesian farmers and is lab-tested to ensure the most effective potency and purity. There are two main branches of kava. Nighttime kava provides an overall sense of relaxation by naturally relieving stress, anxiety, insomnia, and body aches and pains. And then there is daytime kava, which aids in your overall energy levels through a natural increase in your mood, mental clarity, and stamina. So, how do we consume and prepare kava? The most effective way to consume kava is in its powder form and drank as a tea. There are two ways of preparing it, traditionally or instantly. Both traditional and instant methods require 2 to 3 tablespoons of kava powder and 16 ounces of water. To prepare it traditionally, fill a strainer bag with the kava powder, just like you would with regular tea, and knead the bag in lukewarm water until all that is left in the bag is coarse fibers. This should take you about 5 to 7 minutes. Another hybrid way of preparing traditional kava is to pour both kava and lukewarm water into a blender and blend for 3 minutes. Then pour this mixture into your strainer bag and strain the kava powder out, leaving you with the kava tea. Kava in its traditional form should look like chocolate milk when it's done. To prepare the instant kava, add both the kava powder and water to a bottle and shake well. Make sure to always give it another shake or stir before drinking it, as the kava will settle to the bottom of the cup. Instant kava can also be added to smoothies, shakes, juices, or combined with flavor packs. Kava can make your mouth slightly numb, but this is completely normal. This means the pain-relieving properties are working, and that it is a good quality kava. Whether you want some relaxation or a boost of energy, the natural benefits of pure kava will help you to feel and be your best. Try kava from different islands and save 20% with our bundle packs.